Now I got my data device. So the data can snap in anywhere on the track. It comes with keystone inserts. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 inserts and 3 blanks and 1 keystone insert. So you can have any combination of jacks from 1 to 8. Can't have 0. If you have 0, there's no point in putting the device. So the reason, now this thing, just like the other ones, so it's got a cover, and the cover itself is adjustable. So we're using Cat 6/8 jacks, which are really long. So what you want to do is, if you need more of a service loop, you wanna pinch these tabs inside, and you want to line them up so they're at the bottom. Put their blankets on. So these modules, they just snap in, and then after that we just put this on top. This one will line it up, and this just snaps into our track. Make sure going all the way. Don't push too hard, because I don't pinch the cable here. So I'm just gonna go like that. And this is nice and snug. Done. And we're okay. And then we just put our cover on top. So actually, though, we can put these screws. Now, if you want, you can make this cover flush.